Hi everyone and welcome. I am so excited to share this healing chicken soup recipe that I love making at night. And it is super simple, delicious, and very nutritious. So you're gonna need a medium onion, 3 to 4 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 2 chicken breasts, 1 liter of chicken broth for cooking, broccoli, and any additional homemade chicken stock you've already made, and some chopped parsley and any organic gluten-free pasta of your choice. And for the spices, I'm going to use some salt and pepper, ginger, paprika, and some mixed spices that include rosemary, thyme, and sage. And we're also gonna need just a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to start chopping the veggies. I'm gonna begin with the onions. I will add some olive oil in the pot and I will add the veggies. I'm beginning with the onions. Celery and carrots. So mix everything well and add some salt and pepper. The veggies will start to smell really good. So you want to saute the veggies and you want to reduce the heat and start cutting up the chicken breast into smaller pieces. I will add here some paprika and the rest of the spices and mix everything very well together. You don't need to worry about chicken bones here for flavor because we will be adding the chicken broth and letting it simmer with everything. I usually make homemade chicken broth and freeze it, and I add it to my soups later after they're already done. Chicken broth has so many healing properties, especially for reducing chronic inflammation and helping your body heal. And I have a chicken broth recipe below the video in the description if you're interested in making your own. So I will use the packaged broth mainly for the flavor, and then the homemade broth is generally better in terms of nutrients and collagen, so I add that at the end. Mix everything well, add the parsley, so bring it to boil, cover, let it cook for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, you want to add the broccoli and the pasta and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want to add these in the beginning so they don't overcook. And you can check here if you need to add any additional salt or pepper and adjust to your liking. So after the broccoli and the pasta are fully cooked, you can serve and enjoy. You can also add some of your homemade broth. So this chicken soup is so delicious and you can enjoy it at any time. For more anti-inflammatory healthy recipes, I've already created an amazing recipe cookbook to help you with easy to make healthy and anti-inflammatory meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it also comes with a done-for-you meal plan and grocery list, so you can check out the link below the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you try and love this chicken soup recipe.